So this is what I shall be using as my base for this pattern. So we are going to start right now. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having chain 5, I yarn over the hook and I insert into this first loop right here with triple crochet. So I chain 1, I insert into this loop. Can you see? I skip this loop and I insert right here with triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 2, 1, 2. I yarn over into this same loop with triple crochet. I chain another 2, 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert into this same loop with triple crochet. You see, so right now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Haven't chained 7. I yarn over, I count 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert into the fourth loop, still with triple crochet. 1, 2. Insert, triple crochet. 1, 2. Insert into the same loop with triple crochet. So I chain another 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So having chained 7, I yarn it over and I count 1, 2, 3, 4 into the fourth loop with triple crochet. So right now I chain 1, 2. I yarn over, I insert into this same loop with triple crochet. 1, 2. I insert, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round this row up. As you can see, I've completed the round. So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having chained 5, I yarn over and I insert into this loop right here with triple crochet. So right now I yarn over, then I insert. As you can see, I have 2 loops here. So I'm going to skip this loop, then I insert right here with triple crochet. And I insert here, still with triple crochet. Then I move into the next loop. So in this next loop I will be making 3 triple crochet in it. 2, then 3. You see, so right now I'm going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. So having chained 3, I'm going to insert into the midpoint. You remember when I was making this one, I made 7. So the fourth loop is where I insert, or I'm going to insert with single crochet. So I proceed 1, 2, 3 again. I yarn over this time around and I insert into this loop with triple crochet. So I insert here in this loop, triple crochet, so I proceed 1, 2, 3. So I look for the midpoint. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So I insert with single crochet. So I chain another 3. 1, 2, 3. I yarn over. So I insert right here, triple crochet. So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this row. Now, as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed and chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having chained 5, I'm going to insert into this loop right here with triple crochet, triple crochet. So right now I'm going to chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I yarn over, then I insert here, and you see, with triple crochet. So I chain 2, 1, 2, yarn over, and insert into the mid loop here, triple crochet, 1, 2, into this loop here, triple crochet. So I chain another 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I yarn over, then I insert here with triple crochet. 1, 2. I yarn over and insert into the mid loop here, triple crochet. 1, 2. I insert here, triple crochet. You see, so this is how it's going to go till I round this roll up. Now, as you can see, I've completed the round. Can you see? So right now I'm going to proceed. I'm going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So having chain 5, I yarn over the hook and I insert right here with triple crochet. You see, so I chain 1, 2, 3. Having chain 3, I'm going to insert into the mid loop right here with single crochet. So I chain 1, 2, 3 again. I yarn over this time around and I insert in this loop with triple crochet. So I'm making 3 triple crochet in each of these loops. So 2, 3. Then I insert here triple crochet, triple crochet. Can you see? So this is how I'm going to go till I round up this row. So 1, 2, 3 again. So I look for the midpoint of this loop with single crochet. You see, so I chain 1, 2, 3. I yarn over and I insert into this loop here, triple crochet, proceed, triple crochet, triple crochet, you see. So I proceed like so till I round up this row. Now, as you can see, I've come to the conclusion of this tutorial. Can you see the pattern? So beautiful. You see? So I've come to the conclusion, like I said. If you have not subscribed my channel, you can subscribe and put on your notification bell so that anytime I release a new video, you can have access to it. I thank you all for taking your time to watch this video. Till I come your way some other time. Bye for now.